Message from His Excellency President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. My warmest greetings to the Interagency Steering Committee on Refugee Protection, Stateless Persons, and Asylum Seekers in this year's commemoration of National Refugee Day. The Philippines has long upheld a proud tradition of extending compassion and protection to those forced to flee conflict, violence, and persecution. As a nation founded on the values of humanity and fairness, recognizing and safeguarding the worth of every individual is not merely an act of goodwill, but a responsibility of a just and civilized society. Through the leadership of the DOJ, RSPPU, and the Steering Committee, our country has strengthened pathways that enable refugees and stateless persons to rebuild their lives. Our efforts affirm the Filipino spirit of solidarity and our commitment to helping vulnerable people regain stability and hope. This gathering provides a vital platform for government institutions, developing partners, and civil society organizations to deepen collaboration and expand the provision of education, livelihood opportunities, legal identity, and social support for persons of concern. May your exchanges foster stronger partnerships, inspire innovative solutions, and advance responsive policies that let prudent individuals to live with greater dignity and security. I call on Filipinos to help build a society where those seeking safety are welcomed with care and empowered to pursue a brighter future. Together, let us continue shaping a bagong Pilipinas, where justice, inclusivity, and respect for every human life remain at the heart of our nation's progress. May you have a meaningful and productive event.
Thank you, Ambassador Marita. In honor of this occasion, we will now